What's up, guys? Sorry about that. I'm sitting here trying to get my Tradenet account set up, and they sent me my login information, but they have not sent me my password, and it says that I haven't finished the funded account contract, which I actually did finish this morning and send it over to the guy. I know they're in the UK, so there's a time difference, but I really wanted to trade on Tradenet today, so hopefully they'll update it within the next 30 minutes and go ahead and send me my password, although I'm not that confident that that's actually going to happen. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Rob and Arbuck and HS. Good morning, guys. Okay, so I'm actually holding, hold on, let me get everything set up here. I'm actually holding MRD in. It's not doing what I want it to. Let me see. Yeah, it's down to 107 from my entry at about 114 or 115, and so I'm only down like $4. But I am holding PXS overnight, and I got an entry with this one at $4.09 on Robinhood, and so this one's over 5 now, and it continues to run. I'm up over $20 or $30 on my Robinhood account with PXS because I did buy this one right here before the close, and so hopefully it keeps it up. I'm holding this one in Robinhood, and I'm pulling up my trade ideas now to see what's moving in the market. Let's see. We've had family over, guys, so sorry I didn't have a watch list video for yesterday. Let's see. MARA is gapping some, so going to watch MARA PXS. MBRX is gapping up some. DPW is gapping up some. So we've got some decent movers. Let me see what else I got. What's up, Michael? What's up, Philip? What's up, guys? RSLS, CRNT. RIOT, Riot is gapping up some. APRN. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my watch list to the chat. MBRX, let's see. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my watch list to the chat, guys. What's up, Philip? Donuts and coffee, man. Appreciate it, bro. You know. All right, so I'm hoping PXS, like I said, I'm holding, I think 25 shares of PXS on my Robinhood account, and with an entry of $4.10. So hopefully it will continue to push back up. I just thought it was a little bit oversold, although I did find out that it didn't have any particular news story on it, but it did have that huge drop down from its high on Friday at 9.20, and so I got in at 4.10. I'm currently up 90 cents, which is I'm pretty happy with that for sure. If I can go up another 10 cents, I'll be up $25 on my small Robinhood account with only 25 shares on this trade, and so this one's definitely a decent trade I'm happy with today. Move stuff around. All right, I'll be right back. I gotta go grab my computer charger. Okay, so I'm up over $25 now. But yeah, guys, honestly, I'm pretty frustrated. Like, I was really looking forward to using Tradenet today. I've been staying on them all weekend. I know they're based in the UK, so when I wake up, it's like 5 p.m. over there. But I really wanted to trade on Tradenet this morning just so you guys could see me trade on it as well. But I just haven't gotten. I've been talking to my account manager over at Tradenet, and he's been trying to get it up, but they still haven't emailed me my password. I have my logon information, my account's funded already and everything. For some reason, it's just not giving me my password yet. It says I need to finish the FA contracts, and so hopefully they'll get it to me within the next 15 minutes, but I'm not too confident in it. Yeah, Rick, I'm actually in APXS on Robinhood with an entry, I think of 409. Let me see exactly where I entered this one. Yeah, 409 is my entry. I'm currently up $23.81. So I'm definitely happy with that. It's definitely a, big percentage gain on my small Robinhood account. So hopefully it will continue to push over $6. That would be my ultimate goal, is over 6, so I can make a nice little $45 on that trade. Let me open up my high of day scanner. I want trade ideas. There we go. All right, so we've got some decent volume this morning for sure. And like I said, I am holding MRD in as well. You can see MRD in here. It's actually going down. I mean, the reason I bought it was it pushed up right before the close. The volume just wasn't as much as it should have been for me to get in, but I made an impulse buy on this one. But it's only, what, 50 shares, so I am down about $5. So very small loss. AMTX. Is gapping up some. It's an ARCA stock, so we'll see what that one does. REFR. Gapping up a little bit. TITN. ECOM. DSS. I kind of like DSS. I mean, it's gapping up some from where it was, over $1. Levi, I love trade ideas, man. It's super helpful, especially at the end of the day when looking for swing trades. So it's super helpful. I'm really excited to use Tradenet, guys. I tried to get it set up today. I really am excited to short, because I think basically, I think shorting these big gapping stocks is like a money tree, in my opinion. Like, I've had awesome success paper trading, shorting, and I know that's not the same, but I'm just really excited to short. And I hope they can get my stuff up today, but it will most likely be tomorrow by how everything's looking. Yeah, it doesn't look like I'm going to have it up, though. But if I do get it up sometime within the next hour, hour and a half, I'll definitely show you guys my Tradenet info. I just don't have my password yet, which is bumming me out. Sure, I will as soon as I get it up, Buddha. Like I said, I'm trying to get it up now. I've been trying to get it up all morning, but it just, for some reason, it's saying that my funded account contract isn't finished. But I signed all of them this morning. They just sent them to me this morning, and I signed them all. But it gave me my username, and let me download the platform, but I just can't sign into it quite yet. And so as soon as I have it up, Buddha, I'll make a video on it just to kind of show you. Now that I have the ability to short, a lot of my video lessons are going to be on shorting. And sorry I didn't have a watch list last night, guys, but like I said, I've had family over. It's been kind of hectic. But a lot of the stocks on my watch list are going to be short related, and so I'm really excited for it. Oh, for sure, Rob. Shorting it at 920, that was definitely the place to be. I mean, it's not a bad buy. I bought here at $4.90 on PXS and Robinhood with only 25 shares, and I am currently up. My entry was 409. I'm currently up $29.09 with 25 shares on PXS, and so I'm super excited about that. That's a really nice gain, a very big percentage gain relative to my Robinhood account, and so I just thought it looked a little bit oversold. Even though it has no news on it, that big drop after that big gain, I figured it might gap up a little bit. So, yeah, no problem, Buddha. Another one that looked like a really good swing trade setup is, hold on. WMIH. You can see this one started to creep up towards the dollar right before the end of the day. Right before the end of the day, it was right at that previous high of the day. You can see it's gapping up about 10 cents, which is a big gain for this cheap stock right here. So I'm watching WMIH here to see if it's going to run at the open. But man, I missed trading this weekend. You can tell when something's your passion if you can't wait to trade. I couldn't wait to trade this weekend. I was so ready. Okay, so I just got an email from my contract manager. With Tradenet. He says he's on it. It's going to be fixed ASAP. And so hopefully I can trade using Tradenet today. If I do get my Tradenet password, I'm going to have to put it on the waiting screen while I get it all set up, and then I'll open it back up. I can still leave the volume on, but hopefully, I mean, we got 10 minutes, so hopefully they can be on this quick, because I'd really like to short this morning. But man, look at DPW, guys. This thing has been on a tear. This thing was under $1, I believe, a while back. Yeah, under $1. Shoot, a few days ago. Oh yeah, Thinkorswim on demand, Arbuck. I love using on demand. It's an awesome feature, and the crazy thing is people don't know about it. You know, like if you don't know about on demand, guys, on demand gives you the ability to trade any market day you want in the last few years, right? So if I wanted to go trade this exact same day last year, I could go back to on demand, type in the date, put in 9:30 so I could trade the open and just trade it like a regular market day. Really great practice for a new trader. Really great practice. Good morning, Fiaz. What's up, man? DPW has some news. Yeah, okay, so DPW is launching a cryptocurrency hardware. So that's why it's up so much. kind of a fluff piece, to be honest. I mean, it's good news, but it's just a press release they put out, so it's kind of a fluff piece. So I think DPW may drop a little bit. It might be a little overextended, up 42%. And so that's the only thing I'm worried about DPW. Wish I could short. If Tradenet can get their stuff together in the next 9 minutes, I'd be very grateful. Exactly, Fiaz. That's what I've always said that, though. I don't like to make predictions. I mean, sometimes I do, and I guess it's kind of dumb of me to do, but I don't like to make predictions. I like to just react. You know what I mean? Kind of just like you said, Fiaz. I like to just react to the market because you never know what it's going to do. You just react to the chart. You don't try to make predictions and stuff like that. So I 100% agree, Fiaz. Nope, still no password for Tradenet. Good morning, Grant. What's up, man? Alright, so another one I'm watching is AMTX here. It's up to 83 cents now. It's right around this previous high of the day right here, so I'm watching it for that break of that 83-cent high of Friday. Okay, so I'm currently up $1 or over $1 on PXS. What's up, Black Monday? What do you guys think about PXS? Do you think I should sell immediately as soon as the open hits, or do you think I should hold and try to let it work for me on Robinhood with PXS? Like I said, I'm in with 25 shares right before the close with an entry of $4.09. Currently up. I know I'm probably down a little bit from last time. Let's see. Yeah, I'm currently up $25.49. So that's a decent amount up. I'm thinking about just selling it as soon as the open hits. What's up, trader? What's up, man? Good morning, everyone. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well, Rick. Appreciate it. Alright guys, we got 4 minutes left, or 3 minutes left. Good luck everyone. Hopefully everybody could have a profitable day this morning. But man, my comment section has just gotten spammed with those binary options people. They're just constantly in my comment section trying to push binary options. I always have to delete them. So Kevin, whenever I was on Thinkorswim or whenever I was on SureTrader, I just paid for the platform. I think I paid, it was about $150 a month for everything with like level 2 market data, time and sales, and the desktop platform. I think I paid $150 a month. Appreciate it, Doobie. So yeah, it was quite expensive on SureTrader, but a way you can kind of get around that is just to use Thinkorswim or something else like that for charting, and then just use SureTrader to execute your trades. And so you could just get the base desktop platform, only the trade module, and then and then use Thinkorswim for your charts, similar to like what I'm doing here on Ustock. That's the way you can kind of get around that. I know a lot of traders that do that. Okay, so it's currently up to, wow, 650. That's got to be wrong. Yeah, this has got to be wrong. It says it's up to 650. Right now it says I'm up $57.89 on my Robinhood account, but it's only at $5.45. So maybe it's right, but it doesn't sound like it's right. I think it's a little off. Still, it's giving me some room. Nice, Rick. Alright guys, we got 1 minute left. Yeah, there it goes. Now it's back to normal. Yeah, so I'm up $33.89. I don't know why it shot up to $6.50 all of a sudden for some reason. $5.69. There we go. Yeah, it was a good swing trade for me on PXS. Big percentage gain. Yeah, I won't, Rob. Yeah, hopefully it'll be like that, man. Hopefully I will start being successful. I'm really excited to short. That's what I'm really pumped for, guys. All right, so we got 15 seconds. I'm going to be focusing on, yeah, you too, Doobie. I'm going to be focusing on PXS right now. All right, market's open, guys. Up to 572 on PXS. Give it a little bit of time here, see if it bases over 550. If not, I'm getting out. $5.58. Okay, I'm out. If it'll let me get out here. There we go. Okay, so I'm out. Alright, so I got a $34 gain on that trade, and I'm happy with that for sure. $34 gain is great. And I'm 100% out of it. So, really nice way to get the day started on PXS with only a few shares. I'm still holding MRD in here, guys, on Ustock from yesterday. It's right back up to that previous high. It's at 115 now. I can go ahead and bring that up here. It's right up to about where I entered it, so I'm going to just hold it, see what happens here. CRNT, guys, CRNT. CRNT's pushing up. Up to 218. APRN maybe a little bit. Watching DPW for possible washout long setup. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get out of this one for a $3 loss on U stock. I just don't feel like risking it. Watching CRNT here though. APXS down to 531. EYES. SHLD. Yeah, PXS looked like a great short right here. Under 5. If it breaks under cleanly. WWR guys is running WWR. See if we get some more volume here. Also watching EYES here for a possible push over this pre-market high right here at 147. ASCT. ASTC. ASTC is running, guys, really nicely. All right, so I'm in ACST right here with an entry of, I don't know, it filled me really nice on ACST here. I don't like those big up wicks here, but it's up to 372, up to 390, up to 4. I'm gonna go ahead and get out here, keep my profit of $14, about $13.50 on ASTC. So really nice to get two really nice profitable trades this morning on PXS and ASTC. So right now on the day, I'm currently up. So that was about a $13 gain after commissions. So I'm up $47 today, $46. So really nice gain today on that. WMIH running a little bit. ASTC up to 414 now. I don't know if anybody saw that, but I was filled really nicely on U stock. Everybody always hates on U stock, but I got in. I was immediately up $3. So it was a really nice fill with the market order on U stock on ASTC there. Up to 418, guys. CEI. A little bit of volume. FND. CYCC. Yeah, CYCC here is starting to push up. Really nice volume on CYCC. Actually, I'm only up $43 because I took that $3 loss on MRDN. Forgot about that. Let's see what else. What's PXS doing? Yeah, PXS is down testing 5. I don't like those big up wicks on ASTC. Yeah, guys, like I said, if you guys watch that pre-market high break video, the most of the time when it works, you can see the pre-market high was right here. But most of the time when it works like this, the stock isn't a really big gap up. It's not some huge gap up. It's just a small gap up like this with high relative volume, and that's when the pre-market high breaks typically work the best. MYSZ testing $1 now. MYSZ. DPW. ASTC is pushing up really nicely, guys, at 450 now, or was at 450. MYSZ is at $1 now, and GLBS is pushing up, testing that pre-market high at 119. AEZS is pushing up nicely as well. Yeah, I still kind of like it as well. It's pushing up nicely, flagging. I mean, we'll see if it holds over 4. It had a lot of selling pressure, but it kept on, so that's always good to see. APRN, guys. APRN at 350 now, breaking over 350. Okay, so I finally got my login information, guys. So I got my login information for Tradenet. So I'm going to go ahead and put my stream on the waiting screen. I'll still keep the volume on so I can talk to you guys, and so I can pull up my Tradenet count, get a few trades on Tradenet. So I'll be right back, guys. Give me 1 second. I should be trading on Tradenet in 1 second. Man, so it's still not working. It's saying cannot connect to order server. This is really frustrating. Okay. I don't know what's going on with this, guys. It's super frustrating. Like, that's all I wanted to do today is trade on Tradenet for you guys. Now I got to email the guy again. Absolutely ridiculous. I'm watching CRNT here. I mean, I'm up a decent amount on the day. I guess I can't be too upset, but it's just frustrating not letting me in. Watching CRNT here. Alright, so if CRNT can get over this 222 number, I want to get in. Alright, it's at the high of day. I'm in. With 40 shares on CRNT. APRN had a beautiful 1 minute pullback right here, guys. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful 1 minute pullback on APRN. CRNT looks like it's not going to make it. We'll see though. Look at this beautiful 1 minute pullback. You can see that pullback right there. Pushed up really nicely after that. And AEZS is pushing up to the high of day now. Oh, so Dean Tradenet is having server issues? Okay. Well, at least it's not just me. I guess I feel a little bit better about it, but I hope that's not... How common is that, Dean? Really beautiful push on APRN, guys, up to 387 now after that really nice 1 minute pullback. APXS. Man. Yeah, this is right around where I got out of it at $5.50. It doesn't look like Look at APRN though, guys. Up to 390. Really beautiful push on it. PZRX. Oh, look at PZRX here with this really nice push over $1 at 104 now. Alright, so I'm probably going to jump out of CRNT here. But man, look at APRN, that beautiful push up. Oh, so it's back up, Dean? Okay, here, I'll check it. I set a stop loss at 218 or 217 for a $3 loss on CRNT. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. I'm gonna try opening Tradenet again. Okay, so I'm in. All right, guys, so I am in. There we go. Okay, guys, so I'm officially in Tradenet, finally. Still, I actually like using Thinkorswim. EYEG. I actually like using Thinkorswim for charting still, probably. ACST. OASTC. APRN, guys, another beautiful push up here. Still going up here on APRN up to 418. I'm just going to go ahead and finish these trades before I jump back in on Tradenet. Damn pop-ups. Up to 428, 429. There we go. $430. Beautiful. Big drop. I probably should have gotten out for my small loss just because I'm using such small of share size. I'm also probably going to jump out of CRNT here. We'll see if it holds support where that previous resistance was. But it's just not doing what I want it to. APRN, big drop. Back up to 416 now. $413. I'll give it a little bit more time. And that's my key to get out. Alright, so I'm out of APRN. Still holding CRNT here. It's just not moving fast at all. OHRP. Oh wow, look at OHRP, guys. I completely missed this one. Up to 145, OHRP. CRNT is just not moving at all. Volume's down. I'll probably jump out for a small loss here. I just want to see the volume come up in CRNT here before. I mean, I'm going to wait to see if it can hold, but it's just not moving like I want it to. We'll see. Yeah, I'm in CRNT, but it's just not, yeah, like you said, there's no volume, Michael. Did PXS ever resume? It did. Wow, it went up to over 6. I'm happy with where I exited PXS at 550 though. BLPH. BLPH is creeping up towards that high of the day. Not the biggest range though. All right, so there goes CRNT popping up to 226 at the high of day. We'll see if it gets that volume spike it desperately needs to continue its climb. It's just moving so slow. Watching ASTC here as well. I mean, it's holding support at $4. I miss Thinkorswim's charting though using this. TAT, guys. TAT's pushing up. Up to 121 now. Look at TAT. Really big push up to 122. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get out of CRNT here. It's not doing what I want. I'm going to check out TAT. I'm in with 50 shares on TAT. Looks a little overextended. I'm worried it may have a big drop. We'll see if it follows through here, especially after that big crazy push, but we'll see. There we go, up to 134, high of the day. Went up to the high of day, went back down to 130. Up to 131, back up to the high of day at 134. Got up to 135. It's trying here. Back down to 130. 125. Back up to 130. Back down to 125. Back up to 130. All right, let's see if it follows through here on TAT. Up to 132. Doesn't look like it wants to break though. Giving TAT a little bit of time here. Probably going to bail out soon though. Back up to 130. Slightly broke over 130. Down to 126. Back down to 124. Yeah, I'm probably going to bail out here. Yep. $5 loss on TAT. Okay, so now that I'm out of all my positions, let's see this for a little while. APRN. Alright, so after those last few trades, I think I'm up about $35 maybe on the day, $35, which I'm happy with for sure. Let's see what else. BLPH made that push over the high of day. UTSI. WWR, EYEG, BLPH here. slowly creeping up, breaking the high of day, slowly running up a little bit. UEC. Yeah, watching UFC over 153 here. ASTC is also over 4. It was. It's hovering right around $4 now. Man, I underestimated how big the change would be from switching charts. I'm so used to Thinkorswim. I'm a little bit nervous about using these charts. BLPH up to 228 now. All right, so there goes BLPH up to 229 now. So Randy, so Tradenet is it's similar to a prop firm is the best way I can describe it. There's different levels that you buy into. I chose the $500 intro level, and with that I get $14,000 in buying power with a $700 max loss. Okay, if I go over that $700 max loss, they shut my account down, and I can always buy back in, I think, with $500 to get another program to get back into it. But if I do become profitable using Tradenet, there is a profit split. I think I keep 70 or 75%, and they keep 30 or 25%. And so it's similar to a prop firm. When you sign up, the intro package comes with a free day trading course as well as a free paper trading software. So, yeah, and it's based around the Comex platform. And yeah, so it's CFD trading, essentially. But lots of shorts are available. Decent platform, as you can see here. The platform's actually pretty nice. And, you know, I've heard mixed things about them, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. I just need to learn how to set a stop loss. I don't know how to set a stop loss or anything like that. That's the biggest things I need to work on. It's very similar to Ustock's platform, I've noticed. I've got my hotkey set up, which is nice. I just got to get my hotkey set up to short. I don't have it set up to short, so... I'm thinking about shorting TAT here, though, if it breaks under this support level right here at 111. Yeah, no problem, Randy. You don't even have to finish the course, R-Buck. I didn't finish it. To be honest, I'm not trying to sound cocky, but I don't think I necessarily need the course. I have my own style of trading, but so if you're experienced, they'll let you trade without taking the course. And so, I don't think you necessarily need the course. Unless, I mean, if you're a new trader, the course is great, use it. But I've been trading for a few years, so, I don't know if I necessarily need the course. But you can trade as soon as you want to, really. You just got to get signed up for everything. It takes a few days. I signed up for Thursday. I was approved today, so it only took two business days to get signed up. And so, but yeah, as soon as you're profitable, I think you can start taking money out. I mean, you would want to make at least some significant profits before you start withdrawing your money. But I think you can withdraw whenever. You just can't take more than it has to be over the 14,000 in buying power. Like I would probably have to get up to 14,500 before I could take it, and they would keep, their percentage of that. CRNT dropping down. Looking for a possible reversal here on ASTC. Yeah, no, it's not locked. I didn't finish the course. I just emailed my project manager, told him I was experienced in trading, and that I didn't need the course, and he unlocked it for me and sent me the login info. So ACST here, trying to reverse. Still watching TAT here for a possible short if it breaks under that previous low. Down to 12. I've got my hotkey set up on TAT, but I didn't set up my short hotkey, so that's something I do need to set up on this. So commissions, there's a minimum commission rate of $1.50, and so but since I'm using small share size, that will most likely be what most of my commissions are, $1.50 per trade. So in and out, it's only $3. BGFV. All right, guys, so we got some decent movers. We got ECYT, OHRP still moving. MGLN, oh no, it's a little bit more expensive stock. CRMD. All right, and you can see UEC here. Watching for a flat top breakout possibly. ASTC's pushing up. The execution from the paper trading software is quick. I haven't gotten in a trade yet on Tradenet, so I'm still waiting for something I like to see. To be honest, I'm still a little bit nervous about it just because I'm so used to and comfortable with doing it this way on Ustock. But I'm pretty sure the execution speed is pretty decent. Like, I'll get in a trade for sure, at least one today. I just need to wait for a good setup that I like. SBOT. Coming down some. See, and I got in MRDN last night, and that was one I held overnight, but I just didn't hold it long enough. But MRDN, it's pushing up, breaking the high of day from yesterday. APVO. Guys, check out APVO here. I can't trade it on Ustock, but luckily I have a different broker now. But look at APVO here, guys. APVO is pushing up nicely. MRDN broke the high of the day. Went right back down to 119 though. Yeah, I'm bummed out I missed the open. That's really what I wanted to trade with Tradenet, but no worries. MRDN breaking over the high of day. Now it's at 122. Go ahead and hop in a little bit here. Got in with 75 shares on MRDN. It's currently at 123. Back down to 120. Big spread for a cheap stock too. DYSL. All right, so there goes APVO, guys, up to 323. Maybe a good short here on APVO, honestly. ECYT here, pulling up as well. ECYT. Sorry, trying to remember these. Up to 575. Yeah, see, APVO washed out. Yeah, that's what I said. It might be a good short here. Those two big long up wicks are kind of the indicator there. That would have been a good short, but missed it. A little scary to short a stock pushing up like that. APXS. APXS pushing back up, guys. It's halted again at 611. APXS. Yeah, I'm probably going to get out of MRD in here. Yep, I'm out. Another $5 loss. Giving back all my gains on the day. Now I'm only up about $30 now. I mean, I'm still up $30, but getting faked out too much here. PZRX sitting here trying to make a push as well. CRMD. Let's see, there's EYEG still kind of pushing. Up to 137 on EYEG. JIL. L. Slow grind up. SRNE. Not really doing much. NCMI breaking over the high of day. BLRS breaking over the high of day on my high of day scanner. JILL picking up some volume here, up to 657. Nice, Kevin. Kevin, are you shorting on SureTrader? Are you shorting on Tradenet? What are you shorting on? OHRP? Nice job, man. But yeah, OHRP here pushing over that 150 level up to 154. Flagging really nicely here. APRN as well, up to 155. APRN tried to get over 4 again, couldn't do it. JILL slow grind up to 159. I bet you were, Kevin. APVO? No, APVO is not halted. It's just not moving fast. It's at 309 now. That's why I said it might be a good short. Whenever you, I called out the short right here at 320 something, so I just hesitated, didn't get into it. But when you trade long for so long, when you're long biased for so long, you can kind of see when a stock's going to fail. And the big indicator here was these big up wicks after that push. It just couldn't get back over that high of day. What'd you make your short on, Kevin? OHRP. Jaffet, I'm looking for shorts on Tradenet. I'm usually probably still going to go long on I'm trading. Here's Tradenet right here, but I haven't found any decent shorts, and so that's ultimately what I'm waiting for on Tradenet. I don't want to force trades. I only have a $700 max loss, and so I'm taking things really slow. I'll get in one today most likely. I'm just waiting for a good short, to be honest. And so once I find a good short, I'll do it. But yeah, I just don't want to force trades right now. I'm taking it slow, man. But yeah, for long trades, I'm still going to use U stock. But for short trades, I'm going to try to use Tradenet. Just got to try to find some decent shorts first. PXS is back. Up to 679 on PXS. 681. And PXS didn't have any news on it. No news at all. Nice job, Kevin. Good job, man. Alright, so TAT, the one I've been watching this whole time, it's dropping down to 112. If it gets down to 111, I'm going to go ahead and short it. PXS at 704 now. Yeah, down to 691. APRN kind of struggling to stay over 4. There goes OHRP. Watching APRN here. If it can't hold, I may short it. Can't trade it. APRN, I can't trade APRN on Tradenet. Man, I was looking forward to shorting it too. Yeah, SEC isn't tradable. Man, I was really looking forward to shorting that one too. PXS halted at 747, guys. AEZS. AEZS trying to break the high of day. There it goes. It's going to be labeled limited liquidity. I'm still not filled in it. There we go. Finally in. See, I wanted to short APRN as well. Kind of bummed out about it. Look at this. I tried to short it at 396. It's down to 388. It was a beautiful short. It wasn't holding. Everything looked good with it, and for some reason I can't short it on Tradenet. No, I'm not holding PXS anymore, Ali. I got out of that right at the morning at about $5.50. Wish I was, but I'm not. UEC. Yeah, UEC's at the high of day. AESZ's pushing up nicely. It's at 220 now. We'll see if AEZS can push back up here. UEC at high of day. At 155. MBRX. MBRX is trying to climb back up here, guys. Just broke out of that range it had. It's at 188 now. SHLD. SHLD pushing over 4 here. I mean, here's the thing, Ali. I got in at $4.09, so I still made $1.50 on it. And really, my plan with the trade was to hold it overnight and then sell at the open. And so I tried to give it a little bit of time to work with me. I'm getting out of AESZ here. I tried to give it a little bit of time to work with me, but once it started dropping down, I just took my profits. It was a pretty big profit for only 25 shares, and so I was hoping it would get to 6, but it started to drop, and so I'm not too upset I got out of it. I mean, yeah, I missed out on a pretty big move on PXS, but like I said, I got in at at $4.90, and so I was already up a dollar, and I was already up $1.50 when I got out, right around $1.50, and so I took my profits, man. And I'm not upset about it. I'm happy I took my profits. This thing could have easily gone the other way. This thing's up with no news, so the only thing pushing this thing up is the momentum, and so it's a little bit risky. And so yeah, like I said, I'm happy with it. I got out at 550. You can see how it bounced back and forth for a while, and so I got out right here. So it could have gone the other way. I could have been down. I could have lost out on a lot of my profits as well. And so like I said, I'm happy with where I got out. I made $1.50 per share on that trade, and so I'm happy with it. I made $30 on only 25 shares. And it's halted again at 820. Man, crazy move on PXS though. But yeah, I did miss out on some profits for sure. But you can never really get mad at yourself whenever you make $1.50 per share and you bank your profits. You know what I mean? I only had 25 shares, and so I didn't want to give back any of those. And like I said, this thing's up on zero news. There's no news on this stock, and so it's just basically hype that's pushing this thing up. And so I doubt it will hold this big push. And it may be a good short whenever it starts to finally come back down. But like I said, I made $30 on the trade, so. Yeah, they do have a margin restriction on the most volatile stocks. The reason they do that is because they actually take the other side of that trade, And so they don't want you to have the potential to make that much on SureTrader. Yeah, I'm waiting for a good short, guys. Still waiting. Try to find some, but yeah, Kevin, they take the other side. So like that's ultimately why SureTrader has so many shorts available, is because they take the other side of the trade. And so if you go long, they'll go short. But if you go short, they'll take the long side of the trade, and you can't really get mad at them for it. But that's why they have that many shorts available, is because they take the other side of it. If you go short, they go long most of the time. Similar to a market maker. And some people think it's sketchy, but honestly a lot of brokers do that, especially a lot of small brokers do that, and you can't really get mad at them for it, because if you think about it, if 90% of new traders fail, that's a pretty good bet. You know what I mean? I'd take the other side of that bet. If they 90% fail, you only have a 10% loss rate. You know what I mean? And so I understand it. You can't really hate on them for it. It's a good idea. I would do it too if I was them, and it enables you to have a lot of shorts available. No, Ali, I don't short on Ustock. I opened up a Tradenet account, as you can see right here. And so I've been waiting to short on Tradenet, but I tried to short APRN, and I would be up 10 cents right now, but for some reason I can't short it on Tradenet. So I'm just looking for good setups. I'm not going to force anything just because I have a bunch of people watching me. My goal is to build that Tradenet account up, and I'm really just using Tradenet for shorts. And so, yeah, I'm just going to wait for a good setup, and if I don't see a good setup, I'm not going to get in anything. EYES, guys, testing that high pre-market at 147. So Tradenet is based in the UK, Ali. It's similar to a prop firm. So I bought the $500 intro level. With that, you can see I get 14,000 in buying power, and I have a $700 max loss. And so if I go over that $700 max loss, they close my account down. But I think I can re-enroll and get, and start back over if I do hit my max loss, is what I think how it works. But yeah, it's similar to a prop firm. It's a profit split, so they keep 25 or 30% of my profits, and I keep 70 or 75. I'll have to go back and check which one it is. But yeah, it's a profit split similar to a prop firm. All right, so EYES at 147. Breaking over that high of day. OHRP. Still trying here. Man, PXS high of day at $9.10. High of the last 2 days. Crazy move. Yeah, Ali, Mir Barak. Mir Barak's the guy that runs it, I think. So Tradenet is it's this right here. So it's very similar to SureTrader's platform, honestly, which I like about it. See, man, look, this is the frustrating thing. I really wanted to short APRN. I actually tried to short it. You can see it says SEC isn't tradable. I tried to short it at 396. It's down to 370 now. That's frustrating. But yeah, it's similar to a prop firm. You buy different intro levels. I bought the $500 intro level, got 14,000 in buying power with a $700 max loss and a profit split of 70-30. Yeah, look at PXS. Trap leaks. It's similar to a prop firm is the best way I can describe it. $500 intro package is what I bought. With that, I get 14,000 in buying power with a $700 max loss. ASTC, guys, ASTC. Up to 468, breaking over the high of day now at 458. And it's halted again on PXS. Man, what a monster PXS is. Crazy. Nice trade, Q. Ali, so the intro package is $500. That's what I bought. So that's the cheapest one there is. I'll try to get a trade for you guys. If I can get it set up. I mean, it's just GLBS washout. I'll try to find one for y'all. All right, so ASTC up to 482 now. I'll try to short TAT just so you guys can see a trade. Let's see if it'll let me short this one. It's not tradable. Yeah, I heard that on Tradenet, the really cheap stocks, they don't let you trade as much. Oh man, if that's the case, Trap, I'm gonna be bummed out, man. I've just missed the Christmas package then because it cost me $500. That's rough, man. I completely missed it. Ah, why you got to tell me that, Trap, man? Nah, I'm kind of frustrated now. I missed out on the Christmas package. I signed up the day before the last day of November. I signed up for it. Man, that's rough. Yeah, I've been watching PXS. I mean, honestly, PXS is just it's moving too crazy for me. Um, it's already up such a huge amount. I don't want to get caught in this. I don't want to get caught in this. And so it's gonna happen eventually, I think. I'll ask about it. I know they have like a they have like this kind of like not a competition, but they have like this if you trade for the first week and you never take a loss over $100, but you make $500 without taking a loss over 100 in one particular trade, then you get your entire account for free. So if you can go a week without taking a loss bigger than $100 and make $500, then you get your account for free. OSG breaking over the high of day. EYEG. Andre, the commission is there's a minimum commission of $1.50, and so when you're buying the amount of shares I'm trading, most of the time per trade the commission's only going to be $1.50 because I'm not going to be buying over 1,000 shares. I think it's 0.006 cents a share per share. So 0.006 cents per share is what it is. But there's a minimum of $1.50, and so most of the time it's going to be $1.50 in and $1.50 out for me. So $3 round trip. Man, look at PXS though at 1045. Crazy move. Yeah, ASTC looks overextended as well. I could try to short it, but And I can't trade it either, man. Trying to short ASTC. I gotta ask them, what stocks am I qualified to trade? Unless it just isn't shortable. Yeah, I mean, no, I know you could short. I think I just have to. I think it's the more expensive stocks is what they kind of stick to. Is honestly what I think it is. Here, I have a buddy that does Tradenet. Power Zone. It's not that I'd rather go short. Like, I mean, honestly, I'm up $30 on the day going long. I just wanted to try out shorting on Tradenet. That's the only thing. Like, I just want to try out shorting on there. I haven't shorted in a long, long time. I've been long biased on U stock because that's all I can be for a long time, and so I'm just excited to short. You know, and I'm up $30 on the day right now, but I would like to get one trade on Tradenet. I just got to figure out how to short. I got to figure out what stock it will allow me to short. All right, PXS is back. It's up to $11 now. Right, Ken. That's what I figured. There might be none available. Man, how crazy is PXS here? Man, I'm not touching PXS right now, man. There's no way I'm touching PXS right now. Not until I see a significant drop. If there's no significant drop, there's no way I'm touching it. But yeah, missed out on a ton of money if I would have kept my entry at $4.09 from Friday. Yeah, I bought this one. I held this one over the weekend. You know, I thought I was doing good with my 150 per share profit. I bought in at 409, got out at about 450 something. But man, there's a significant drop in it. Trying to figure out how I can check to see. I asked my buddy and he said to check. There's a list that shows you the stocks you can trade. Oh well. There's the big drop on PXS. That would be the one to short right now. Down to 1032, 1025. This is the one to short right now. I doubt it's available for most brokers though. I can give it a shot. I don't know, for some reason it's disconnected. I don't know what I did. Yeah, I don't know what I did on there. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I did something. I'm just going to go ahead and exit out of this for now. Alright, so PXS is halted on the way down, guys. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and shut the stream down now. It's about 11 a.m. market time. I should have Tradenet all set up to see what I can short. That's really what I want anyway. I want to trade the open and short the open. And so I don't really want to force a trade right now on Tradenet. I'm up $30 on the day, so not a bad day overall considering everything. And so if you haven't already, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And everybody in the stream, do me a favor right now and click that like button. We definitely appreciate the support. So click the like button on the stream right now if you appreciate this content and want to help support us. But Ali, email me, man. I don't want to put my phone number out here. I think it's worth it, Traplites. I just got to get used to it. I mean, here's the thing. Like, from what I understand, some of the cheaper stocks aren't available, which makes sense. And so whenever I'm going to start shorting, I'm going to be shorting the more expensive stocks and trading the more expensive stocks overall. And so that's really what I'm going to be focusing on. You know, and I'm still going to keep U stock to go long. And so I kind of have the best of both worlds. And that's what I'm trying to get out of Tradenet. It all depends on the trader if it's worth it for you or not. I think it's a pretty good deal, you know, cheap commissions, nice platform. You know, some of the cheaper stocks aren't available, but, you know, overall that's okay with me. So I'll deal with that. But, yeah, guys, anyways. Yeah, no problem, Alejandro, man. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. But yeah, guys, everybody hit that like button right now. You can see ASTC's running up. It's at 533 now, so that one's pushing up nicely. But everybody hit the like button on the stream right now. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll let you guys know if I decide to get in anything else. Maybe I'll get a live trade on Tradenet on video and upload that soon. After I kind of find, excuse me, after I find the list of stocks I can trade on there. And so anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Good luck for the rest of the day, and I'll see you guys later.